do with the Kia. On this one, I actually got to do the crank sensor too. So I'm going to go ahead and get this cover off before I put the valve cover back on. Might as well. And I'll start working my way over to this side as well. So right here, there's this one, that one, that one, and there's one more. One, two, and three, and four. I got this loosened up, but I'm gonna have to get this bracket out of the way to get it off. First, this pump. While looking at it, it's already missing a bolt. There's another one. And there's two behind here. I don't know if I'm going to have to separate it or not. I'm just going to try to move it out of the way. I don't want to open it up. So to take this off, to loosen it, there's a 14 and a 14. So loosen this, and then you can loosen this one. That one removed. Put off to the side, just in case. And the next one's going to be the AC. So that one. And go right to the bottom. That's right there. Then the opposite side. And the opposite side. Right there. And then right on the side. Got the second belt off. Did notice the alternator is going to have to come off. That's part of this whole assembly. And on this side, looks like the tensioner bracket is attached to the compressor, but I don't know if that has to stay there. And this is going to have to come off. So I'm going to work on this one and moving this out of the way. Still haven't taken that off yet. I'm just kind of checking some other stuff out. Got the alternator just pushed out of the way. Yeah, so next I'm just going to move this one and then get to that. The whole thing off. Just pushed it out of the way. I think this should work. And now that pulley. Got all this out of the way. Alright, now this side. Got the compressor off. I need to get the stupid bracket off. 1, 2, and there's gonna be 3, 4, 5, 6, 14. Alright, well, now we're ready to start taking this off. Those 5 out, came right out. Still got the pump right here. Just move that a little bit. Now you get this cover off too. Right here. that one off. Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right under. I think that was it. Cover off. Take an inspection while in here. That's gonna be the crank sensor right there. Definitely. Oh, it's on its way out too. I just ran that one and it worked. So got the crank sensor already, but the cam sensor right there. Just go ahead and put a 10 mil on it. So I'm trying to do the spark plug wires on this one. So first, I slid them behind here. Now we gotta get this plastic slithered through here to be able to, this plastic right here. So this side's ready to get the cover put on. Yeah. All this other shit's done. And this one's next, just so I can move everything over to that side. Clean this bugger up. Some new gaskets on. Semi-cleaned up. And I've also got the gaskets partially siliconed on, just a little bit. I'm just gonna lay some beads on the engine. So it's gonna be in all these little corners right next to the cams. Time to buzz it down. Got one done. Now we can start getting this side ready. Same thing, drop some beads of silicone on the ends. Bust it on. Side. We got the boot kits for these. Wow. That coil busted, so couldn't close this side up. It's starting to look like an engine again.